1 million grams. Then yung engine power niya is 7,584 kilowatt times mo sa 24 hours. So yung magiging answer mo dyan, yun na yung specific fuel oil consumption mo na grams per kilowatt hour. So ang answer, so 23 times 1 million is equals to 23 million grams. Then 7,584 times 24 is equals to 182,016. Then the total answer, divide mo silang dalawa. The total answer of your specific fuel oil consumption is 126.36 grams per kilowatt hour. So kung gusto mo siyang i-check naman kung paano siya kinuha, so checking 26.36 times 24 times 7,584 divide 1 million grams. So yung answer mo is 22.999 or 23 metric tons, which is parehas dito. So meaning tama yung sagot natin na 126.36 grams per kilowatt hour. So bago pala mag-end yung video na to, nag-explain lang ako paano to i-compute, pero hindi ko nasabi kung ano nga ba yung specific fuel oil consumption.